Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. This is just something quick. It's a TikTok made me do it type of video. So I've seen a lot of people put like the ranch packets in the pickles and then shake up the jar and try it. So I have something a little bit different because I do love pickles, but my favorite are the dill hamburger pickles. And I'm just going to be taking some Parmesan ranch seasoning, and I'm going to be putting it inside the pickles. If I can get the jar. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to take my seasonings. I don't even know how much to put in here, but I guess I'll just fill up the top. Ooh. Hopefully that's not too much. And I don't know. I think I might need... Oh, I definitely think I need more seasoning than this. Let me put some more in there. I am making a mess. Okay. Smells good. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I think you're supposed to like let it sit, but I just want to try. Look at that. Oh, wow. That is so good. Like, really good. Oddly satisfying. Okay. All right, TikTok. 10 out of 10. 2 thumbs up. And you guys, if you like this video, I'm dying. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, excuse me, and blow up my comments. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. See you guys later. Peace.